don't want you to be lumbering. And everything else is fine. Okay. So that's settled. Need high quality cloth. Just needs a bunch of wool. I guess I can add a bunch of land balls now. Like, I also just buy it. But I really need to kidnap a merchant. It's gonna suck so hard. Because at least the Wandering Merchant has like PAL fluids, Paldium that you can buy. You can buy every single ammo type. I mean, you can technically do that already in that one other place, but I want to have it in my base.
Hey. Huh.
Guess also. Actually, I probably don't need it. Oh shit. I forgot about this. Oh my god, look at all the fucking beds. Ah shit, here we go. Should honestly just let them decay. Not like I need all that wooden fiber.